push. I ain't like this whole sweat. I'd be lying if I said I ain't like this whole sweat. No nigga needed. Oh crap. Oh, got my shoes. My socks just a tad bit wet. Fucking throw it back. Motherfucker, can you yeah, going out this train. Motherfucker, can you stand down? Can you stand down? Want some tea or coffee? Trash right here. Can't even get to the other side. Thought that was a leaf. Nope. Almost tricked me there, trash. You know how these things. Jacket. Not wanna come over there just in case there are nests over there and they try to protect this trash, but I gotta also be safe. Ah, that's the leaf. Sorry, leaf. Don't get me, it clown. You stay down there, it clown. Ew, 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 ew. I swear. Oh, Lord Jesus Christ. Oh. Do not touch me with this shit. You know, I ain't even found yet. Dirt. Dirt. That's probably been sitting there for years, for all we know.